In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to update the publish date on a Squarespace blog post. If you've ever found yourself needing to refresh or reschedule content, this step-by-step guide will be your go-to resource. Let's make sure your blog looks exactly how you want it, with dates that perfectly align with your content strategy. Now let's dive in. To begin, you'll first need to go to the Squarespace homepage and log into your account. If you're not familiar with Squarespace, it's a popular platform that provides all the tools you need to easily build and manage your own professional website or blog. Once logged in, look for the Website section, which you can access directly from your dashboard. From here, click on the Pages option. This is where you'll find a list of all the different pages and blog posts that you've created. Now, navigate to your blog post. This is the perfect time to ensure you've selected the correct post, so take a look through your list and pick the one you want to update. Once you have it, hover over or click on the blog post. You'll notice a small set of 3 dots to the side of the post you wish to edit. Clicking on these gives you a drop-down menu presenting various actions you can perform. Select the Settings option from this menu. This option opens up a window where you can make various adjustments to your post settings. Look for the Options tab while you're in the settings. This tab not only helps in updating dates, but also provides other valuable options to optimize your post, so it's worth taking a look around. Once you've clicked on Options, you'll see the Status section. This is where you have the ability to change the publish date of your post. You'll find a field displaying the current publish date. Simply click on this date field and a calendar will appear, allowing you to choose a new desired date for your blog post to be published. Be sure to double-check the date you select. It's important that it aligns with any upcoming events or stories you might be planning around. After you've made your changes, double-check to make sure the date reflects what you intended. Once you're satisfied, simply save your changes and voila! The updated date will now appear on your post. And that's it, you're done. You've successfully changed the publish date on a Squarespace blog post. Whether you're updating content for a fresh take or coordinating your publishing schedule, this simple process ensures your blog stays current and relevant. Thanks for tuning in. Don't forget to check back for more instructional content to make your Squarespace experience even smoother.